I believe there are three essential things for anyone who's looking to become a successful real estate investor: training, tools, and mentoring. Combine those three things with hustle and consistency, and anyone can start from scratch and become wealthy in real estate. Unfortunately, not all training, tools, and mentoring are created equally. On this video, I want to share with you 7 tips to help you choose the best real estate training and how to get the most out of it. Coming up. Hi, it's Jerry Norton, and as of this video recording, this marks the 15th year that I've been a full-time real estate investor and 10 years that I've been providing tools, training, and mentoring. And over the years, during my own journey as an investor and as a learner and an educator, I've learned some valuable lessons that I want to share with you. First of all, you have to first see the value in training, tools, and mentoring. The worst thing you can do is go at this alone and rely just on the school of hard knocks on your journey to success as a real estate investor. The right tools, training, and mentoring can make a world of difference, not only in learning the essential skills needed, but also in avoiding unnecessary mistakes, being accountable, and staying motivated to reach your goals. Whether you attend YouTube University, purchase a book, home study course, online program, attend a live seminar, or do group or personal coaching, I have 7 tips to share with you to help you get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring. But first, if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make money right now in real estate, not later in 10 or 20 years or even 3 to 5 years, but right now so you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Tip number 1 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to take personal responsibility. It's human nature to blame someone or something when we don't see results. Ultimately, your success is your responsibility and no one else's. When someone says, so-and-so's training didn't work, my first thought is, did the training not work? Or did you not work? Whatever training you invest in, ask yourself, what else can I do to implement what I've learned? When you take full responsibility, you own your results and are able to learn and progress at lightning speed. Tip number 2 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to custom tailor it to you. Whoever you're learning from is teaching you from their unique perspective. You need to take that information and adapt it to your personality, your goals, and your market. For example, I can give you a script to talk to a motivated seller that has worked really well for me and others, but rather than read the script verbatim, put it in your own words so that it sounds genuine and authentic. Tip number 3 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to set realistic expectations. No program is perfect and has all the answers. Success in any endeavor is never a straight line, but usually a zigzag. Go in with your eyes wide open. I now look at any new tools, training, and mentoring as a huge success if I can walk away with 1 or 2 good ideas that I can implement immediately for positive results. Look at success in real estate as a puzzle, and tools, training, and mentoring are additional pieces to that puzzle. And the more pieces you can acquire, the closer you are to completing the puzzle. Over the years, I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in real estate, business, and marketing, and personal development, and I can honestly say that I consider this journey as an entrepreneur and real estate investor a success if I can continually acquire pieces to the puzzle. Tip number 4 to get the most out of your training, tools, and mentoring is to implement. Have you ever attended a live training or a webinar training or read a book and took down a bunch of notes only to never look at them again? Me neither. Just kidding, right? Instead of coming up with 47 things that you're going to do, which ends up being so overwhelming that you don't end up doing any of them, remember these 2 things that Gary Keller teaches in his book, The One Thing. What's the one thing you can do this week such that by doing it, everything else would be easier or unnecessary? And go small. Instead of doing all the things you could do, just do the one thing you should do. When people watch my videos, I often ask them, what is your big takeaway that you're gonna implement right away? Tip number 5 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to focus on your own personal development. Most real estate tools, training, and mentoring focus on specific strategies or skill sets, when the reality is success is probably 90% mindset and only 10% skill set. The most important real estate is the real estate between your ears. Make it a goal to work on your personal development every single day. The best tools, training, and mentoring in the world won't work if you can't overcome the conscious and subconscious self-sabotaging negative beliefs that hold you back. And tip number 6 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to make time for it. Develop a love of learning. Become a lifelong learner. If you're into flipping real estate, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. videos. They're usually under 10 minutes. I cut out all of the fluff and I get straight to solid content. Go into my playlist and watch videos by topic. Instead of listening to music at the gym or while driving in the car, have some type of training or educational audio on. Instead of watching TV, watch a webinar, or if you have one of my training programs, watch the online video modules. In fact, I'm gonna make a confession. I didn't watch the recent Super Bowl. I know, probably the only person in the country. I didn't watch it for two reasons. One, I don't have TV or cable at my house, and two, I get more fulfillment learning and working on my goals. My point is, the only way to get ahead in life is to make time for it. And tip number 7 to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring is to have a big why. I found that people who truly recognize their purpose in life bring their passion to the table. When you have clarity about what God intends for you to accomplish in your life, the big why, making your education a priority becomes part of your daily routine. You crave it, you look forward to it, and you're hungry for it because you know it will help you move one step closer to your life mission. Your big why will propel you forward when it gets hard and you want to quit. Your big why is how you plow through obstacles and climb over walls. Remember this, if your why doesn't make you cry, it's not big enough. Now, I put my entire professional life's work into a tool to help real estate flippers, and it's called Flipster. It's an all-inclusive house flipping deal management platform that has everything you need to organize, streamline, and automate all of the steps of flipping houses. Check it out for yourself. Click the link in the description. And if you want to take Flipster, that tool, and combine it with the best training and mentoring program on the market, you need to check out my Fast Track program, which is designed to help you create a consistent 6- and 7-figure business flipping houses. Combining Flipster with my Fast Track program will allow you to 10x your results, whether you're brand new or looking to up your game as a flipper. But whether you invest in my stuff or something else, follow these 7 tips outlined in this video to get the most out of your tools, training, and mentoring right now. And if you learned something in this video, show some love, hit that like button, leave a comment, share with me your biggest takeaway from this video and the one action item that you're going to do right now. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm dedicated to helping you make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life. And remember, it's not about the money, it's about having the time and freedom to be, do, have, and give everything you want in life. That's what it's all about, and I'll see you on the next video.